have been wanting to make two things.
Is what?
Pain perdu, it's called French toast in English. And he's been wanting to make gratin de pâte. Ça veut dire, that is cheesy pasta, creamy cheesy pasta. But we're not going to do the pasta today, but we're going to do the French toast now. So he gets all of his ingredients already. Milk, eggs,
butter,
sugar, butter, and bread. Okay, so now it says mix together egg and milk. So you need to break the egg. What's the problem?
I need the quantity thing.
Okay, I'm gonna give it to you, but let's do it one by one. So now you need to break the eggs. So I'm gonna give you something to break the eggs in. You're gonna break the eggs in here. You need to get a fork. Get a fork. Just follow the instruction given to you, okay?
Okay, but it's not true.
Follow the instruction given to you. It says to break the egg. Get a fork. And you're gonna break the egg in here, okay? And then you're gonna throw it in there. You know how to break the eggs properly? You remember? Turn the fork this way. Yeah, you can't hit it too much in one section, else you're gonna get trash in your egg. Voila. Again, okay. Okay, put it down and try to open it up now with your big finger in the hole, and don't get any trash in your egg.
No trash.
No trash, but a lot of trash. But that's okay. I'm gonna show you how to break it the second. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Don't panic. Stay right where you are. Drop it on here, please. Drop everything here fast, please. Tyler, you have to be more aggressive in terms of stop being timid. Look at Mama break the egg, okay?
Okay.
I see it's a long time you haven't been in the kitchen with me, yeah? Okay, look. I hold the egg to the bottom, okay? And I'm gonna break it, go around, okay? 1, 2, 3. You realize my 3 hit is not in the same place? Okay, and now I open and let it fall underneath. That's okay. That's not a trash. It's a dust from the egg. Now pick up your last egg and do the exact same thing I just did. It's like you're knocking in a circle going around. That's okay. Now do like this. Open, 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 and let it fall on. Voila, very good. Put it here. Okay, now wipe your hand.
We can see the first one and which one is mine.
Because it's mashed out. Okay, so it says mix the egg and the milk. So now you need 50 centiliters of milk. 50 centiliters of milk you need. 50 centiliter CL of milk. You need 50. Where is 50? All the way up here is 50. Okay? So now you need to throw milk until it reach right here. Put it down. You throw this one first. Hurry up, hurry. Move your hand faster, briskly. Throw it out in there. All of it, Ty. It's not enough. It's okay. Open the other one. You always shake the milk before you open it, okay?
Okay.
Let me help you to open it. And you can throw it out. Okay, throw now. Throw. Now you're gonna keep an eye on your 50. Slowly until you get to the 50. Very good. Alright, now it says, I think we might need a bigger container than this.
It's my turn.
Maybe not. Hold on. It's your turn?
Yes.
Hold on. It says mix together. Okay, throw the egg in here. Give it to Sarah. Throw it in here. All of it, Ty. Faster, man. Briskly. It's okay if it fall, Ty.
Okay, but we forgot the sugar. After?
Hold on, it don't say sugar yet.
Yes, it did. Sugar.
Okay, and the sugar, so we forget the sugar. Okay, how much sugar it says?
75.
75 gram of sugar. 75 gram of sugar. Okay, let's, where is gram? 75? Oh, so it's about here.
No, this
So
is
that's 50. So it's between the 50. Between the 50 and the 100. Okay, throw out the milk here. Give it to Sarah. No, don't move this. Throw the milk in it. All of it. Okay, Sarah, you are going to hold the pan. Let me pull this up. Hold the pan here and mix it until Tyler give you the sugar. Sarah! Slowly. Slowly. Okay? Slowly. Slowly. Okay, we're gonna get the sugar tie. Yes, guys, this cup does measure dry and liquid ingredients, in case you're wondering. Cause me no wanna stay. Anyways, all right, Ty, go throw your sugar. Don't be timid, Papa. Don't be timid.
I'm just looking.
It's okay. Stop. Shake the cup until it's even. Look at it.
No.
Shake it again until it's even. Okay, look at it. Let it go. Let it go.
Too much.
Too much? That's fine. Put it. Sarah, stop mixing. Stella pouring in the sugar.
Sugar.
Okay. And now we need to mix, but we need to mix so everything mixed together. Hold on, let me do it first and then Tyler gonna take over.
Mama,
Yes.
use this.
No, we don't need that. Okay, Tyler, you can take over mixing. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Let me.
Sugar.
Hold on, princess. That sugar you're gonna put it at the end. Tyler, mix this. I'm gonna look at the rest of the ingredients. Non, c'est fait fondre dans une poêle une noisette de beurre. C'est quoi une noisette de beurre? Ça veut dire.
You know what is the nuts?
Oui.
Okay, so it's just saying the size of the
Ok, j'ai vu.
I don't need to stop.
Yeah, but that don't mix out yet, Papa. You have to mix it out properly. I just turn on the stove. You can get the butter in the meantime. Let me continue to mix this properly. I need to get the sugar mixed out. So we're making the batter basically. Okay, so in normally when you're making this, to make it more delicious, you add a little bit of vanilla and a little bit of cinnamon to the mixture. Do you want to add that?
And
It give it more flavor.
Mama. Okay. Mama.
Yes, Sarah, we're gonna add a little chip
In
of
the
vanilla.
end, can I take that? You put the sugar here.
Yes, Sarah, and a little bit of cinnamon. Though Tyler recipe didn't say that, but there we go. And a tap, the nutmeg. Okay. So now you get your butter and you drop it in the
Is that a
pan.
bit too much?
You can put a little less.
Yes, that.
Go on, drop it in the pan.
Mixing. Oh, no. I can scrape it?
Yes. So we need that to melt. Then it says, put a piece of the bread in the liquid, both sides, and then put it in the pot. So now we need to get a plate and you need this, and you need this. And Sarah, you're gonna get down and come over here. Okay? So Tyler is unwrapping the bread. Give us some bread, Tyler. Give us some bread, Tyler.
Mama.
Yes, Ty. That's okay. So what's the problem? Ça veut dire big. It's okay. This works just as fine. To make it easier, no, sorry, don't touch. To make it easier for you, Ty, put on your gloves.
Only one?
Yeah. And you're going to put the bread in here on both sides, kind of get off the excess liquid, and then we put it in here. Okay, so you can put at least 1, 2, 3 bread can go in at the same time. Okay, so put one in here. Come on, you have to move briskly.
Really?
Yes, on the other side now. Turn it over. Okay, get it up, get off the excess liquid, and put it in. Don't squeeze it. Put it in. Put it in. Very good. Don't drop it like that. Okay, next one. Next one. You don't need your other hand to be in the liquid at all, Ty.
Okay.
Are you listening to me? What did I say? Don't squeeze the bread. Put it here. Next one. Your sister giving it to you. Put it here. Very good. Okay. You can go wash your hand. Don't take off the gloves. Just wash your hand. Alright, 3's in.
What is
Let me show you. No, I told them 3 is in. So 3 are in, and then when the side is brown, we're gonna turn it. But you have to wait for it to become brown first. I'm gonna turn this.
6, but we can do more than 6.
Yes, you can do much more than 6. I'm gonna turn one, and then you turn the others. But you have to be very gentle because it's soft, it's wet. Okay, so I'm gonna turn the furthest one here. But I think I'm gonna use this to make it easier. Flip. You wanna do the others? Take your time, be gentle, put it under it, completely under. Take your time, don't rush. Flip it now. Very good. Very good. Don't press it, don't squish it out. You have to keep the form. Very good. The other one now. Come from an angle where it's easier to get under. It's okay. Take your time. No, I'm not gonna do it. You're gonna do it. I'll assist you. Put the thing under it. Hold on. Put it under. Okay, flip it now. Very good. See, it's coming along nicely.
Going to mix it up.
Okay, Ty, go take them out of the pot, please.
Shall I take these?
Take these and here. Take this and put it here.
Mama, can I take the ham?
Very good. The other one.
Mama,
Mm?
can I taste the ham?
No, this ham can't taste. This ham need to cook. This is not the ham that you can eat raw.
Which ham I can eat? Mama,
Yes, Sarah?
which ham I can eat?
Okay, now you need to mix this. Get bread. Get bread. Hold on, we need butter. Get bread. Get your bread. Get your bread. Get your bread. Get your bread. Start with your bread right now.
And take this out.
Yes, and wet your bread. In and out, cause this bread thin. You over in the corner. Very good. Next one. Here. Very good. Next one. Here. Good job. Wash your hands.
I can taste it.
Yes, you're gonna taste. No, this.
Yes.
Yes, you can taste it.
It's yummy. Mama, what we can taste, Tyler?
What Tyler can taste his hands. Ty, you need to drop the bacon.
Okay.
Here.
It's big.
But you need to back up, Sarah, back up.
Mama.
So you need to put bacon is something that will burn you. So I won't let you do the bacon. I'll do the bacon.
Mama.
Yes, yes, Sarah.
Why is this gum? Mama. Why is this gum?
Close it back.
Mama.
What's she saying?
Yeah.
Okay, this is finished. This is ready. So what you're gonna do, Sarah? Sarah, this part is your part. Get down.
Now it's
This part is yours. Come. Put back the step. Hold this. And you're gonna put the sugar.
in that.
No, on this. And now you're gonna get the syrup. Get the pancake syrup.
No.
Come try. You want to put the pancake syrup in that? Okay, throw it on all three of them. Like that. Ooh. And now you're gonna taste test. Come Tyler, get your knife and fork and taste test. That's your work. Hold on, let me show face first.
I pretend to bin.
Your glove?
Yes.
Yeah, you can. Alright, you guys, so that's Tyler's handiwork. Looks so good. So proud of you, Ty. You okay? Go ahead, taste it. No, you're ready to taste, Sarah? Go taste it, Tyler.
Taking this one.
Cut it, Tyler, and taste it and give peace to your sister. And tell me how it is. It's good. Sarah, your turn. How is it, Sarah?
Good.
Okay, Mama's turn. Come, Papa, your turn.
I'm going to give him the sugar first. Just taking this first. Papa gaat alles zero d'érable. That's for lunch.
That's good.
That tastes so good, Tyler. Good job.
Sarah, arrête de manger, on va manger pour déjeuner, d'accord? Enfin,
No, you two can eat that right now. I'm making the rest.
Sarah, recule.
Tyler, take the plate to the table.
It's what I was going to do.
Boy.
Woo!
The final product. How you feel about your second cooking?
Second.
Yeah.
Second. Good.
How was it?
Yummy.
It was so yummy. I ate 3 pieces and I'm full. Now I feel sin. Feel accomplished?
Yes.
Okay. Happy that you got to do it again?
Yes, and next time it's gratin pâte.
Next time is this pasta. Alright, you guys, so I'm going to end out today's vlog here with my boy and his cooking. Do that again. Anyway, you guys, that's the end of Tyler and I, another session in the kitchen. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If I tell him one day his face gonna stuck like this, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you will. Catch up and keep up with us, and we'll see you guys
tomorrow
in the next video.